Hello everyone, my name is Cauê Nunes de Menezes, I'm 20 years old and I am from Brazil, Santo André, São Paulo. And this is Hogwarts Portal, my final project for Cs50's Introduction to Programming with Python. Hogwarts Portal is a program that simulates an application for both students and employees in Hogwarts to have access to academic related things, such as assignments, materials, and also a personal profile. All this program was written in Python and only uses the default CSV library. For this project, it also needs some databank files that are CSV files that can be found in the source directory of the code. It has the databank for books, employees, houses, and students, and also have a test file that contains a script that can be run with PyTest to test some functions of the main code, and a README file that contains everything descripted and documented in details. In the main file of project.py, we have the main code that contains a main function and also many other functions that runs the code as properly. So when we run the code here in the terminal, we can have the access for both students and employee. So let's suppose that I want to access for Hermione at first, and here we can see her name and many menus that we can access from the first menu, such as the assignments menu where we can see Hermione's grade. Since she's a great student, she has a 10. And we can do many other things, such as see a list of books and a list of houses informations and many other things. If we want to have an access for like an employee, we can do like for Snape, for the professor, and we can now in the materials menu, instead of just seeing the list of books, we can add or remove a book. Also, we have some other functions that can be accessed in the assignments menu, such as seeing every student's grade, including the ones that still have the grade to do, and also many other things. So everything of the program is detailedly documented in the README file that can be found inside the programs folder. And here we have all the documentation for it. Thank you very much for watching.